Hello kids, welcome to today's study class. Today we learn 1 to 20 counting and learn some colors name. Which is this kids? These are lovely colors. This is yellow color, black color, parrot green color, brown color, sea green color, purple color, golden color and green color. These are colors. 1. This is number 1. Number 2. This is number 2. 3. Number 4. Number 5. 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. 1 0 10 1 1 11 1 2 12 1 3 13 1 4 14 1 5 15 1 6 16 1 7 17 1 8 18 1 9 19 2 0 20. So kids, today we learn 1 to 20 counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 20. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.